Good day, it is me, Circuit Breaker. I've designed my robot up to the point that it is in Protobot, up to the point that it is in real life. Some major design flaws right here. Turns out, in real life, we actually had these two pieces, this one right here and this one right here, bent outwards in order to put the screws on. And this is holding these little things, little angle pieces, are holding a 35 length piece of steel. Just these two little metal pieces. So you can't expect them to not bend. For example, they were both outside. This one's on the inside, and this one's on the outside. They're both on the outside in real life, which is sort of a pain too. But also, apparently, you can't just screw spacers in Protobot. Also, apparently, my Protobot has not updated, so I don't have the rounder, different looking gears. This, like, you can see, all these are the interlocking gears. We're using the same size, same amount of teeth, but the chain gears, I think that's what you call them. I don't know what you call them. But essentially, these are also going to be the chain gears. This is going to be chained up. This is a speed motor. All these motors down here are green motors, so normal motors. This is blue. Torque is red. These are going to have rubber bands. And it's going to be able to pull the block in and bring it all the way to the top. But this is the top level. We are going to have a pneumatics system, but this also doesn't have like any pneumatics things that you can just put on, which is rather annoying. But anyways, it also doesn't have any hinges, which is what we were going to use. We were going to use a hinge here so that this can drop down and then put it into the middle one, and we could probably honestly just Pushback these in. Also, another design flaw. This really bugs the frick out of me. You can see this piece, the 35 bar in the middle of the 35 bar ramp, isn't aligned. It can't be aligned. It's a thing, because this is 5 wide. This is an even amount of dots here. I don't want to count them because I'm too lazy. But wait, are these? Those are offset, but that don't matter. It's just a model. But it's absolutely astonishing that you think it's going to be good, but it's probably not going to be good. This is going to do trash. This isn't going to be all that great. It's going to take so much work to get it fixed, to make it work properly. But anyway, thank you guys so much for making it to the end. Currently, 0% of you are subscribed. I know, because there are 0 subscribers. Anyways, I had to pull this card, but take pity on me. Watch my videos, like and subscribe, please.